Hello everyone, it's me again. I forgot to tell you that I use a hair cream for make my hair look shiny and neat and clean. So it's this one, Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioning. This is the one I use for making my hair look so neat, clean, and shiny. So let me show you what it looks like. First, open this up. Oh, I forgot to take my glasses off first. Then brush my hair. Always brushing. Always brushing my hair. So it's nice and neat. Nice and neat. Use this one. Get this much. Rub it. And then do this to lean back to make my hair look nice. I use 1 cream spoon for my hair. Not too much, but just like 1.5 cream spoon for my hair and my finger actually. Okay. After that, brush my hair again. Make it neat and nice. Okay. My hair very nice and neat. Like that. Alright. And the last piece, my glasses. Like that. See how shiny and clean and neat of my hair? It makes my hair look so neat and clean, and I love it so much. This is the one I like the very most of it. I've been using this for 5 years now, and I really love it very much. A Blue Magic Hair Conditioning Cream. So that's how I make my hair so neat and shiny, like that. And thank you for watching again, and I hope you like my video. Leave a nice comment too. So thank you for watching. Bye.